Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best cord organizer is probably one of the most essential accessories for any car owner looking to declutter their space and keep their devices powered up on the go. Imagine a car interior free from tangled charging cables, headphone wires, and other electronic accessories, making your commute or road trip significantly more enjoyable and less frustrating. This simple yet effective solution can transform your driving experience by ensuring all your essential cords are neatly managed, easily accessible, and out of the way, preventing distractions and maintaining a clean, organized vehicle environment. Number 5. Rapid Storage Straps, Assorted 6-Pack. Introducing the original heavy-duty storage straps, designed by a family business with a simple mission, to help you get untangled and organized. Transform messy cord piles into streamlined storage in seconds. Just wrap it around your cables, cinch the strap tight, and hang with confidence. These tough straps are perfect for your garage, van, or workshop. They keep hoses, cords, and tools visible, tangle-free, and ready for action. Lock in your cord garage organization with tools that actually work. They bundle and hang cables, ensuring every cord is organized and easy to grab. Featuring a durable stainless steel grommet and strong hook and loop closure, these straps are a dependable alternative to flimsy plastic hooks. Pair these straps with a cord hanger to unlock serious garage organization. Turn cluttered corners into clean zones where items stay off the floor but remain easy to spot. Made from heavy-duty polypropylene, these straps offer high-quality storage. They can hold up to 50 pounds, easily handling heavy hoses and power tools. What we like. If you need robust organization for heavy-duty items, these straps are your best bet. Their super strong material and ability to hold significant weight make them ideal for garages, workshops, or even RVs. If you're tired of flimsy solutions and need something that can handle substantial weight like hoses or power tools, this is the one to consider. What people say. The organizer has multiple slots and pockets to hold various cables, chargers, and other small accessories. It attaches securely to the back of the car seat, keeping the cables tidy and easily accessible. The material is durable and seems like it will hold up well over time. Number 4. Cord Management Organizer Kit. Tired of tangled cables? Introducing our comprehensive kit designed to bring order to your workspace and home. It's the perfect solution for managing all your cords and wires. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need for effortless cable management. You'll find protective sleeves, reusable ties, adhesive clips, and more, all designed for your convenience. Crafted from high-quality, sturdy materials, our organizers are built to last. The strong adhesive on the clips ensures they stay put, providing a clutter-free environment for years. Our durable clips are made from non-toxic material and work on virtually any clean surface. They offer a secure and reliable way to keep your cables tidy, whether at your desk, on walls, or in cabinets. Using our organizers is incredibly easy, no drilling or special tools required. Just load your cables into the split sleeve, and it securely wraps them, keeping them protected and neat. Need longer ties? No problem. Our kit includes flexible adhesive ties that can be linked together for custom lengths. They offer versatile options to suit any cable management challenge. What we like. For those who want a complete solution to all their cable management needs, this kit is perfect. It offers a wide array of items, from sleeves to clips and ties, ensuring you have the right tool for any situation. If you're looking to tackle clutter in your office, home, or even car with a single purchase, this all-in-one kit is the way to go. What people say. The organizer has multiple slots and pockets to hold various cables, chargers, and other small accessories. It is made of durable material that seems to hold up well over time. The design is sleek and unobtrusive, fitting seamlessly into the car's interior. Number 3. 24 PCS Silicone Cable Ties, Multicolor Cord Organizer. Tired of tangled cords? Our cable ties are made from high-quality, durable silicone. They're easy to clean, wear-resistant, and can be used again and again. These versatile ties aren't just for cables. Use them to seal bags, secure items, and keep your belongings tidy in various situations. Featuring a clever round hole, you can secure them to cables to prevent loss. Plus, you can hang your tied cables to save valuable space. At 4.2 inches, they're the ideal length for organizing earphones, charging cables, mouse cords, and more. They're lightweight and easy to take anywhere. This pack includes 24 ties in 4 distinct colors: black, white, pink, and green. Easily sort and identify your different cords at a glance. You'll receive 24 multicolored cable ties. If you have any questions, our support team is ready to help you find a solution within 24 hours. What we like. If you prioritize flexibility and reusability for your smaller cables, these silicone ties are an excellent choice. Their elastic nature makes them perfect for earphones, data cables, and more, and they're easy to clean and carry. If you're a traveler or someone who frequently moves between different locations and needs a simple, colorful way to keep small cords organized, these are ideal. What people say. The organizer is a great solution for keeping cables tidy in the car, preventing them from tangling or falling on the floor. It has multiple slots that can hold various types of cables, from charging cords to AUX cables, making it very versatile. The adhesive backing is strong and keeps the organizer securely in place on the dashboard or center console without damaging the surface. Number 2. Lancord Upgraded Appliance Cord Organizer, 8-pack. Are you struggling with tangled cords from your kitchen appliances? Introducing an upgraded solution designed to keep your wires neat and organized, enhancing your kitchen's efficiency. This improved organizer offers increased space, making it perfect for managing even thicker and longer cords. It's an essential household item for any kitchen. Crafted from high-quality, soft rubber, this cord holder is environmentally friendly and safe to use. Its flexible design ensures a perfect fit on both flat and curved appliance surfaces. Featuring an upgraded, super sticky nano tape, it attaches firmly to your appliances without falling off. The adhesive is also removable and reusable, leaving no residue behind. Installation is simple. Just clean the appliance surface, attach it, and allow 6 hours for the adhesive to set. This ensures a firm and long-lasting hold for your cord management needs. These versatile organizers are compatible with a wide range of kitchen and household appliances. They adhere strongly to various surfaces like metal, tile, glass, and more. What we like. If your main concern is organizing the cords of kitchen appliances, this organizer is specifically designed for you. Its upgraded design accommodates thicker cords, and the soft rubber material ensures it won't damage your appliances. If you want a tidy kitchen counter without any permanent damage to your appliances, this is the perfect solution. What people say. It has a strong adhesive that holds it in place. The clips are flexible and can hold different sizes of cables. It keeps my car tidy and prevents cables from tangling. Number 1. 12-pack cable clips, black. Tired of messy cables cluttering your desk? These clips help organize your wires and cords, keeping your workspace neat and tidy. They are also dirt-resistant for long-lasting cleanliness. Crafted from high-quality acrylic, these sticky pads are built to last. They won't yellow or lose their adhesion over time, ensuring they fit seamlessly into any decor. Worried about damage? Our cord clips can be removed and reused without leaving any residue. The upgraded design ensures they won't harm your desk or car surfaces. With a perfect hole diameter, these organizers are ideal for various cables. From headphones and phone chargers to mouse and keyboard cords, they handle it all. Installation is a breeze. Simply peel, stick, and press out the air. They adhere securely to a variety of smooth surfaces like tile, glass, and painted wood. What we like. If you need a simple, non-damaging way to organize cables on desks, nightstands, or in your car, these clips are a great option. Their strong adhesion is balanced by the ability to remove them without leaving any residue. If you frequently rearrange your workspace or need a temporary cable management solution that won't harm surfaces, these are the clips you should choose. What people say. This cord organizer is a lifesaver for keeping my car tidy. It has multiple slots that fit various cable sizes perfectly. The adhesive backing is strong and holds the organizer securely to the dashboard without damaging the surface. My charging cables are now neatly organized and easily accessible. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.